let's talk about tire stocks, which have been actually rolling in gains. And one particular counter that has been seeing a sharp up move is MRF. No doubt today, right now, it's a bit under pressure. You're seeing some sort of a profit booking kick in this counter over the course of a few days. But what has been the price action on this one, and what are we likely to see going ahead? My colleague Shrishti is here with all the details. Shrishti, take it away.
Well, yes, the most expensive stock in the Indian stock market as per the value is MRF. The stock is trading at around 86,000 of levels and is significantly up from its listing. In 1993, the stock got listed, and its day of listing, it was seen at 11 rupees. And from that, what a stellar move we have seen in MRF. Its all-time high is at 98,000 of rupees, and rightly mentioned, investors are waiting for that 1 lakh of rupees. But firstly, let's have a look at the journey. In this up move, the major move was seen in 2009 and 2019, where over 3,000% of the returns was seen in MRF. The reason was very clear, that MRF is the leader in the Indian stock market, is currently also holding the largest market share of over 25%. Not just that, the financial performance is definitely strong, but one particular reason for the stock trading at such higher values is there has been no stock split by the company since the time of its listing, and it is also said that the investors in MRF are quite genuine and they want to stay in the long-term perspective as well. Now, when we talk about its comparison to its peers, then MRF is the leader, but apart from that, in two particular segments, they hold their market share leading position, whereas two-wheelers as well as truck and bus radial tires. Over the recent years, there has been a degrowth in both of these segments, but now you will see the CV segment is also inching up, and the two-wheeler is expected to get back to its sales perspective from the OEMs, as well as replacement demand is expected to catch up in the times ahead, and that could also lead to more positive triggers for a stock like MRF. When we compare the margins of the company, they are around 10.6%, which is definitely at the highest when we compare to all the other listed companies, be it Apollo Tyres, JK Tyre, CR. And lastly, if we see, then the tire industry as a whole is definitely on the buzz. We see the raw material prices, be it natural rubber prices or crude oil prices, they are down over 30% in Q1 FY23 comparison levels and now. So all of these factors are expected to aid the growth of the tire industry, and in that we see the two-wheeler and truck division, they are expected to inch up further. So one can look at MRF. The question is that 1 lakh is on the cards or not. That is a bit difficult to say given the valuation front, but definitely MRF is the leader, and no soon we can see this leading position going away for MRF, at least in the short term.
Absolutely. But let's move on.